Hello from Singapore. I'll be exploring Tiong Bahru today. It's a sunny day, and right now we're walking towards one of the famous temples in Singapore. Here will be the Monkey God. Have you ever heard of it? You know Sun Wukong in the story, right? Yeah. So this is just one of the stop, and then after that, there's actually quite a lot of stuff to do here. The murals, and then the dancing girl statue, and then some Tiong Bahru bakery, and so much more. I'm just excited to explore together with you guys, so stay tuned, guys. I love the houses here, man. It's like very colonial based and very beautiful. It's really super for the young people. I'm now in Neighbourhood Street. I'm going to reach the God Temple, the Temple of the Monkey God in just like a few minutes time. And there's intersection called Tiong Bahru Road as well. Wow, I think it's really nice to live here, man. Because it's near to the west side and the east side is in between, man. You can go to like Clementi or even Bugis in just like 15 minutes. And the airport is just like maybe 30 to 35 minutes away by subway. Tiong Bahru Yongdao Tiong Bahru. Oh, I saw it. The temple is just in front. It's my dream to come here because, well, I heard good stories about this. Right here we have it, the Chinese way, Jitian Dasen. Really nice temple here. Actually, the Monkey God temple is a bit smaller than I thought, but I think sincerity is the thought that counts, right? And wow, there are lots of stuff to explore here. I'm just very excited. Alright, next stop is Tiong Bahru Community Center. I'm walking towards there now. Oh man, look at this, man. You know that Civil Defense Heritage Gallery. But I think that's the Tiong Bahru Community Center. Let's check it out. And by the way, nice building once again. There are also interesting like wall murals here. Come and take, photographs, Instagram. Just amazing what's at the corner. The Jitang Gao, man. The far side, the fortune teller. Alright guys, I cannot believe my own eyes because I live in Singapore my whole life. I never come to this Tiong Bahru Community Center and look at the walls, the buildings is totally different from any community clubs or community center I have been to in the past. Because it doesn't have this kind of color and the structure. It doesn't look like a community club at all. I'm very, very, very surprised. It looks like a garden and a club for the rich, right? Like recreation club or something. Wow. So right here I am Tiong Bahru Community Center. It's part of the Tiong Bahru Heritage Show. Surprisingly, Tiong Bahru combines the Hokkien word Tiong. That means the end means to die, with the Malay word new means Bahru. So Tiong Bahru means the new cemetery. And there's actually an old cemetery here as well. Oh, and the road here, That Street, Ing Hun, Sing Bo, Ing Wat, Yong Bo, Yong Sat. And link to the city as well. There's the old photos and there's the Tiong Bahru wet market. I'm just excited. Go there, Sing Bo Road Market. Now this is really a nice kind of ad community fridge at Tiong Bahru CC. You can get the items in the fridge or you can help out by stocking up. But of course, at this moment there's nothing, but it's a good initiative and idea, but no cool food. We've arrived at the dancing girl sculpture or statue. Wow, this was back in 1970. So many years ago, 56 years old this year, and here he is. The dancing girl sculpture that it's quite old already because of the weather condition, the rain, everything. Look at the marks and the tests. But here it is, man. Wow, amazing, right? You can see the skirt, the body. Actually, I thought it looked like swan in the first place. Oh, look at that. There's a 日日茶馆, today's restaurant. I'm not sure what they sell, man, but it's worth exploring. Oh, the one market is just around the corner, man. or the entrance of the today's restaurant, the Cha Guan, the two chicken here. And this is a specialty toast set here. The tuna mayo is affordable, man. You know, like 90 cents. And then the French toast, $5.50, and the Oda sweet bun. Alright, arrived at Tiong Bahru Market, Hawker Center, level 2. Now it's 3:30 PM, so there are not many customers, but there are lots of stores, man. I hope the business get better, man, because it looks like not many customers, and the vendors still have to pay their rental. The bad thing, right? Hong Ling Curry Puff, and there's a lor mee at the corner, Tiong Bahru lor mee. There's one thing about HDB right here, there's no need for escalator, so the residents need to climb. But once again, there's only like 3 or 4 levels, so you could exercise for them. Wow, can you imagine staying here? You just open the door, and wow, we are at Tiong Bahru, central of Tiong Bahru already. You can go to anywhere in the town area. And not only that, I saw some spa, you know, at the corner. The TCM spa massage. And we reached the Mo Guan Terrace. Where is the air raid shelter, man? Check it out. And Mo Guan Terrace here, block 78. Wow, there's a massage shop here. I heard there's an air raid shelter we can see from the outside. Could this be the one? I'm just like, your guess is as good as mine.